Okay, I'm going to try this again. I shot a video earlier tonight, but it didn't work out, so I'm just going to show you a bit of the progress that's happened with the painting, and I'll zero in again a little bit here. These rocks needed some cleaning up, so I did that, and I think that looks good. I'm very happy with that so far. Very happy. And the foliage above them, fine. Actually perfect. You know, in my mind anyway. So there's the ways to go. I'm not going to belabor you with too much more on this painting until it gets closer to its end, but I'm hoping to go out painting tomorrow, but I'm going to do a plein air painting. I'd like to go out on site if the weather permits, because if it's raining like crazy, I can't really do much about that. Anyway, sorry, this is just a quick progress report. Hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.